Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So I've got a large selection of colours, and then this is Matisse Southern Ocean Blue, Atelier Aqua Green Light, don't have a lot of that one, but Decoart Extreme Sheen Aquamarine, and Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black. And I'm getting my mallet out again today. Do I need a contrasting colour with that? I'll see what it looks like. I could always add a bit of purple into it. I've got a 13-inch round and a 12 by 16. Probably doing a reverse mallet smash, but not tilting. Yeah, let's get messy. I've already laid my base layer down. It is just normal acrylic paint. It's not house paint, it's acrylic paint and Floetrol with just a splash of water, and the consistency is the same as my colours, which it's not watery, it's not as thin as water, but it doesn't really leave a trace, but you can feel it as you stir. Does that make sense? When you're stirring it, you can feel there's a little bit of body to it, but it doesn't leave a trace.
the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it
acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. So many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore.